After a child is arrested and goes through the criminal justice system, it can be difficult and confusing for them to get back on track in school.
And advocates say not enough is being done to help those students graduate.
That's the idea behind the Student Bill of Rights. Denver 7's Jessica Crawford joins us tonight with how this piece of legislation will impact students. Jessica?
Yeah, and it could impact a lot more students than you might think. So what I know right now is that across the state, more than 22,000 young people are caught up in the justice system. Well, this bill aims to fix the gaps between the justice system and schools so that those kids can have a better chance of graduating.
School is all about learning to solve problems, and it can be even tougher when students have problems to solve in real life.
It causes a lot of stress.
JJ Reed attends AUL Denver, where he's student body president. He knows firsthand how difficult it can be to be a student involved in the criminal justice system.
I made a mistake. I caught a case and sadly I had to deal with it.
Reed missed 3 days of school and his grades took a tumble.
For 2 months straight, my grades just kept dropping because of the stress.
He was able to make progress because of support he received at his school, but he began to wonder what would become of other students in similar situations. That's why he's helping Generation Schools Network draft the Justice Engaged Student Bill of Rights. The bill, which is currently being drafted, is designed to help justice-involved students who struggle with problems such as transferring their grades from detention centers to schools, re-enrolling after jail time, and more. Dr. Jose Silva says the bill will include mental health support and steps to reintegrate the child into school. Plus, if the bill becomes law, there would be a phone number families could call for help.
We're going to have a hotline. And so family members, parents, community members, tias, abuelitas can call and say, I have a student that's justice engaged. My nephew's justice engaged. I want to get him back in school. What do I do?
State Representative Jennifer Bacon says the bill could help students long after they graduate.
We know how hard it could be to live as an adult. We know the differences in how much you earn. We know the differences in maybe even committing another crime.
Reed hoping the legislation can help students like him put their past behind them and focus on a brighter future. Jessica Crawford, Denver 7.
The bill is in the drafting process and will be introduced for the 2024 Colorado legislative session. Reporting in the studio, I'm Jessica Crawford, Denver 7.